In this demonstration you will learn how to move resources to a resource dictionary in a separate SAML file. Let's switch to Visual Studio. Here I've opened the app SAML file of our project where you have defined these application-wide resources. Now let me show you how you can move these resources to a separate SAML file. You want to do this to reference that separate SAML file in different applications, or maybe also just to organize your resources. Now let's right-click in the Solution Explorer the Customers App project and let's select from the context menu Add New Folder. I call the new folder Resources. Now let's right-click this folder and let's select from the context menu Add Resource Dictionary WPF. This opens up the new item dialog. As you can see, the Resource Dictionary WPF is already selected. Let's call this file Brushes and let's add it to our project. Now you have here this Brushes SAML file that contains a Resource Dictionary root element. Now let's go to the app SAML file and let's cut here these three resources and let's go back to the Brushes SAML file and I paste them into this resource dictionary. Later, you will move this converter to another resource dictionary as this is not a brush. But right now, let's focus just on this single file. Now let's go back to the app SAML file and let's assign here a resource dictionary to the resources property of the application object. The resource dictionary class has a source property that lets you specify a source for the resource dictionary. When I open up the Solution Explorer, you can see the path to our document is resources brushes SAML. So let's set here the source property. Let's use a slash to define the root of our project. Then let's write here resources/brushes.saml. Now let's run the application and you see everything still works. If a resource wouldn't be found, you would get an exception. Great! So now you moved the resources from the app SAML file into a separate resource dictionary. In the next clip, let me show you how you can organize your resources across multiple SAML files.